Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel English with Tarun Mittal. Well, today in this video, we are going to learn some new words. Yes, vocabulary lesson 2. Lesson 1 हम already कर चुके हैं and today we are going to do vocabulary lesson 2. So let's get started. Imply और इसी का synonym है insinuate. Well, imply का मतलब है to say something indirectly, to communicate an idea or feeling without saying it directly. What are you implying? Or what are you insinuating? What are you implying मतलब आप क्या कहना चाह रहे हो? What are you trying to say? So what are you implying or what are you insinuating? Are you implying that I'm fat? Are you trying to say that I'm fat? Are you insinuating that I'm careless? Are you implying that I'm stupid? Are you trying to say that I am stupid? I don't know what you are implying. I don't know what you are trying to say. I don't know what you intend to say, or I don't know what you wish to say. He implied that I was responsible for the outbreak of the fire. So he said it indirectly कि जो आग लगी उसके लिए मैं responsible था. Are you implying that somebody from the family was involved in the murder? Are you trying to say that somebody from the family was involved in the murder? Blab. Blab means बकवास करना, to talk foolishly or mindlessly. इसके synonyms हैं babble, gabble, blabber. Next. The trio blabbed the whole night and I could not sleep at all. My brother and two of his friends and पूरी रात उन्होंने बातचीत की, बकवास किया. They blabbed the whole night and I could not sleep even a wink. Stop blabbing and get down to work. बकवास बंद करो और काम में लग जाओ. Everyone is sick of her blabbing and they try to shun her. सब लोग तंग आ चुके हैं उसकी बकवास करने की आदत से and they try to avoid her. Avoid करना मतलब shun करना. जैसे बहुत सारे फिल्म स्टार्स हैं जो कि मीडिया को अवॉइड करते हैं. They avoid media or they shun media. Collide. Collide का मतलब होता है टकराना, to clash. अगर दो vehicles टकराएं then also we say collide. For example, I had an accident last month. My car collided with a rickshaw. Yeah, my bike collided with a car. और collide का एक सेंस है अगर किसी के व्यूज टकराएं, अगर व्यूज क्लैश हो then also we can say collide. I don't get along with my brother. Our views collide on almost every matter. मेरे भाई से बनती नहीं है. हमारे जो व्यूज हैं वो हर मैटर पे क्लैश करते हैं या कोलाइड करते हैं. ओवरशैडो. वेल, ओवरशैडो का सेंस है किसी भी चीज़ या व्यक्ति को ढक लेना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई हैव एन इंस्टीट्यूट एंड इट इज़ इन अ कॉम्प्लेक्स. और हमारा जो कॉम्प्लेक्स है उसके सामने एक काफ़ी बड़ा पीपल का पेड़ है. तो जो ट्री है इट ओवरशैडोज द कॉम्प्लेक्स. मतलब आवर कॉम्प्लेक्स इज ओवरशैडोड बाय द ट्री. सिमिलरली, अगर कोई व्यक्ति किसी दूसरे व्यक्ति के व्यक्तित्व को ढक ले, that is also called overshadow. Like for example, if I talk about Padmavat movie, there were two main actors, Shahid Kapoor and Ranveer Singh. But Ranveer Singh का जो उसमें एक्टिंग था मूवी में, it was extraordinary. ही स्टोल द शो, पूरा शो चुरा के ले गया। चुराना, स्टील द शो एक एक्सप्रेशन बनता है। ही गॉट अप्रिसिएशन, एवरीबडी वॉज टॉकिंग अबाउट द एक्टिंग ऑफ रणवीर सिंह। तो रणवीर सिंह ने शाहिद कपूर को ओवरशैडो कर लिया। ही ओवरशैडोड Shahid Kapoor. Shahid Kapoor was completely overshadowed by Ranveer Singh in the movie. So let's see some examples. He has always been overshadowed by his younger and more handsome brother. So if you have a more intelligent and handsome brother, so obviously he will get all the attention and importance. Nobody will give you importance. So कहीं ना कहीं आप अपने उस इंटेलिजेंट ब्रदर की पर्सनैलिटी के आगे छिप जाएंगे। सो यू विल बी ओवरशैडोड बाय योर ब्रदर। देयर आर सम सिनोनिम्स: अपस्टेज, आउटशाइन, आउटक्लास। आई कैन से शाहिद कपूर was upstaged by Ranveer Singh in that movie, or he was outclassed, or he was outshone. Outshine का second third form बनता है outshone. He was outshone by Ranveer Singh in the movie. She was completely overshadowed by her sister on the day of her wedding. So wedding uski thi, but her sister was looking gorgeous. She was looking more beautiful. So everybody was paying attention to her sister rather than the bride. Shah Rukh Khan overshadowed Sunny Deol in Dar movie. Dar film में शाहरुख खान का रोल नेगेटिव था, बट ही स्टोल द शो. He completely overshadowed Sunny Deol in the movie. Dash, to go somewhere quickly, right? I must dash or I'll get late for the college. मतलब I must hurry up or I will get late for the college. A dog suddenly dashed in front of my car. I was going to market by car, and suddenly a dog dashed in front of my car. But thank God I braked, otherwise I would have run it over. मैंने ब्रेक लगा लिए, वरना मेरी जो कार है वो डॉग के ऊपर चढ़ जाती. I must dash. I've got to reach there by 5 p.m. I must hurry up. Otherwise I'll get late. I have to reach there by 5 p.m. मुझे 5 बजे तक वहाँ पहुँचना है. I was exhausted. I had been dashing around the whole day. I was running around the whole day. पूरे दिन मैं भागता रहा. I was tired. I was exhausted. Zap. Zap का सेंस है to kill, to get rid of, or to remove something. The king zapped all his enemies. सारे enemies को मार दिया. He killed all his enemies. The flowers were zapped by the frost. पाला पड़ा, उससे सारे जो flowers थे वो मर गए. We need to be creative to zap the competition. If you want to kill the competition, if you want to zap the competition, then you need to be different, you need to be creative. He went under the knife to zap away extra fat. To go under the knife means to have a surgery. He had a surgery to zap away extra fat. He was very obese, काफ़ी मोटा था. तो जो extra fat था उसे remove कराने के लिए, उसे zap away कराने के लिए he went under the knife, or he had a surgery. They use laser technique to zap away unwanted hair. तो आपके बॉडी पर कहीं भी unwanted hair है, बाल हैं जो आप नहीं चाहते हैं, तो उनको permanently अगर आप remove करना चाहते हैं, you want to zap away those hair. So there are people, they use some laser technique to remove those unwanted hair. So remove का sense में we can say to zap away. It will zap away all your wrinkles. Wrinkles बोलते हैं झुर्रियाँ जो एक एज के साथ साथ मतलब फेस पे पड़ जाती हैं. ये मैंने जो एक्टर्स हैं फिल्म स्टार्स वो फेस लिफ्ट कराते हैं. तो फेस लिफ्ट कराने से जो रिंकल्स हैं वो वैनिश हो जाती हैं. So if you go for that kind of surgery, a facelift, then all the wrinkles will vanish, or you will get rid of all the wrinkles, or that surgery will zap away all the wrinkles. Shatter होता है to break suddenly into very small pieces. You may have seen जब कोई एक्सीडेंट होता है, स्पेशली कोई कार का, तो कार का जो आगे विंड शील्ड होता है या विंड स्क्रीन बोलते हैं, वो बहुत बारीक बारीक पीसेस में टूट जाता है, थाउजेंड्स ऑफ पीसेस. तो चकना चूर हो जाना, स्पेशली किसी ग्लास का, दैट्स कॉल्ड शैटर. द राइटर्स शैटर्ड द विंड शील्ड्स एंड द विंडो ग्लासेस ऑफ ऑल द बसेस. तो कुछ दंगाई थे, दंगा हुआ और बसेस खड़ी हुई थी, उन्होंने बसेस के सारे जो ग्लासेस थे और जो विंड शील्ड थी उनको शैटर कर दिया. All the window panes were shattered by the earthquake. Earthquake means भूकंप आया और जितने भी विंडो पेन्स थे, पेन्स माने ग्लास, जो बिल्डिंग में जो ग्लास लगा हुआ था वो सब चकनाचूर हो गया. All the window glasses were shattered. He shattered his parents' dreams. उसने अपने पेरेंट्स के सपनों को चकनाचूर कर दिया. His parents had expected him to go places, but he turned out to be a failure. पेरेंट्स को बहुत उम्मीदें थी उससे. दे एक्सपेक्टेड हिम टू डू समथिंग इन हिज लाइफ, टू राइज हाई, टू गो प्लेसेस, बट ही टर्न आउट टू बी अ फेलियर. ही वॉज शैटर्ड बाय हिज सन्स डेथ, और वी कैन से ही वॉज शेकन बाय हिज सन्स डेथ. ही लॉस्ट हिज सन एंड ही वॉज शैटर्ड. He was completely shattered when he got to know that his wife was cheating on him. जब उसे मालूम चला that his wife was dating some other man, he was completely shattered. एक गज़ल है, इतना टूटा हूँ कि छूने से बिखर जाऊँगा, मतलब I am shattered. His confidence was shattered by back-to-back defeat. Back-to-back माने एक के बाद एक. So he lost 4 to 5 games back to back, और जिससे उसका कॉन्फिडेंस पूरी तरह से टूट गया, हिल गया. So his confidence was shattered, or his confidence was shaken by back to back defeat. Anyway, it's very important that you watch this video and write down all the words and revise them. For revising, the best way could be after a few days, maybe after a week, you can watch this video again so that you can retain all the words what you learned. Well, I hope you understood all the words. Thanks for watching the video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you again with some new lesson. Thank you.